Hello everybody, in this video I will share with you something about the background music playing, including an introduction and how to set it up. Users can play the uploaded custom background music through the cooperation of the dispatch console and network speakers, or play real-time music through the external source acquisition feature. It is very suitable for some indoor scenarios, such as shopping malls and hotels. And at the same time, it should be noted that currently we can only support MP3 file, and the upper limit of the audio file sampling is 44.1 kHz. And next, I will show you how to set up background music. First, you need to log into the IP dispatch console and choose the music module in the left navigation bar and click it. Then click on the music collection above. You will see 3 ways to provide audio, including uploading directly, using TTS file, and recording messages. Here I use the uploading as a simple. Click and choose the music file. After the uploading is finished, you can click on the music player above. Click the plus to create a playlist, fill in name, and choose the files. Then go back to choose the console module, select one speaker and click the play button to play the playlist you created before. And after a few seconds, the music will start playing successfully. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for your watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please send them to our email. See you next time.